Today we will solve exercise of lesson 1. Chapter 1. Nutrition in plants. First of all, we solve the fill in the blanks of page number 16. Page 16. First fill in the blanks. Organisms that prepare their own food using the simple substances from their surroundings are called autotrophs. Fill in the blanks. These are the page number 16. First answer is autotrophs. Second, the opening and closing of stomata are controlled by dash cells. Answer is guard cells. Third, the opening and closing of stomata are controlled by blank cells. It is done. Third, chlorophyll is present in structures called dash. Answer is chloroplast. Fourth, during the photosynthesis, plant take in dash and give out dash. Answer is carbon dioxide. And oxygen. Fifth, glucose is stored in parts of the plants in the form of dash. Answer is starch. These are completed of page number 16. Now, page number 19. Match the column. Number 1, misplay. Answer is partial parasitic. Column A. Partially parasitic. Second is lichen. Answer is symbiotic. Third, pitcher plant. Answer is insectivorous. Fourth, coral root. Answer is saprophyte. Saprotrophic. Fifth, Cuscuta. Answer is completely parasitic. This is completed. अब now page number 21. First question is choose the correct answer. A part. Number 1, I am writing on the answer MCQs. Which of these is formed along with glucose during the photosynthesis? Answer is oxygen. Second, chlorophyll is present in the plant cells in structures called, answer is chloroplasts. Third, which of these helps to transport starch from the leaves to other parts of the plant? Answer is phloem. Question number next. Which of these plants have the chlorophyll and can photosynthesize? Answer is mistletoe. Next is a lichen is an example of, answer is symbiotic relationship. Now next is the fill in the blanks. Key point. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, the exchange of gases in plants takes place through tiny pores in the leaves called, answer is stomata. Second, dash are the pipeline structures that transport water and dissolved minerals from the roots to the leaves. Answer is xylem. dash solution is used to test for the presence of starch in the leaves, that is iodine. One, two, three. Fourth, the organisms from which the parasitic derives nutrients is called the dash. Answer is host. Fifth, blank plants are usually non-green and have no leaves. Answer is saprophytic. Now next is true false. C part. Number 1. Organisms that depend on other organisms for food are called the heterotrophs. It is right. True. Two. Green plants are the only organisms that can photosynthesis. Not only plants, algae also, they prepare their food with the help of sunlight, water and chlorophyll. So this statement is false. Third, photosynthesis can take place in the presence of water. No, this is also false. Fourth, plants cannot synthesize vitamins. This is also false because plants synthesize the vitamins. Fifth, the root nodules of leguminous plants contain a parasitic bacterium. No, symbiotic bacteria is there, that is name is the rhizobium. It is also false. Now next is D part. D, name the following. Number 1. The process by which organisms take in nutrients to use for lipolysis. That process is known as the nutrition. Second is the bean-shaped cells that control the opening and closing of stomata, that is known as the guard cells. Third, the type of the organisms that derives its nutrients from living organisms, that is known as the parasitic nutrition. Fourth, the group of organisms that break down organic matter and release nutrients into the environment, they are known as decomposers. Fifth, The bacterium found in the root nodules of the pea plant that is known as rhizobium. Next is E part. Give an example for the following. Number 1. An autotrophs that is not a plant. Answer is bacteria. Second, a plant that has Historia that is known as the cuscuta. A partial parasite. Answer is mistletoe. Next, an organism that has tentacles that is known as sundew. Fifth, a symbiotic relationship is known as lichens. Now this is completed exercise.